The internet is going crazy right now because of the launching of ICE network. So many people have been asking this question. What is likely the price of ICE when it is being launched on OKX? And there are also speculations that it is going to be listed at the same time when it will be listed on OKS. It will be listed at the same time on Gate.io. So what is the price speculation of ICE? After adding my ICE contract address on OKX Web3 wallet, I was able to get this information. Now, the current price, according to the speculation here, is saying $79.56. Okay, $79.56 for one ICE. And you can see from 0.74 cents, it rose to as high as 79.56. Okay, which is about 10,546%. Well, is this going to be the actual price of ICE? No, it is not. This is a speculative price. But just hopefully, if ICE launches between this price range of 74 cents to $79.56, it is going to be a massive win for those who mind ICE. I've seen so many things like this happen. For example, when Satoshi Core listed, the speculation was that it will be at the price of $6,000 per one, but actually it didn't launch at that price, but at least it rose to as high as $30 per one core, and that is also a massive win. So even if you don't see the price of ICE at 79.56, which is, let's just say, $80, we can still expect to see it within the range of that $74 to a dollar or $2. Even if it is 20 cents, it is still a massive win. So one thing is sure, ICE launching price is going to be something to rejoice about. Okay, so congratulations once again in advance for ICE miners. See you tomorrow when everything goes down. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with others so that they will rejoice with you. All right, see you in the next video.